We have this question: if x is not equal to minus 2, then 8x square minus 32 divided by 4x plus 8 equal to what? So first of all, try to understand why x is not equal to minus 2. Why? Because if we put minus 2 over here, so it will become minus 8 and plus 8, and overall it will become 0, and anything divided by 0 equal to infinity. So it means this question will not have solution if x is equal to minus 2. So that's why x must not be equal to minus 2. Now let's try to solve this question. So solution, we will take 8 as a common. So 8 x square minus 4 divided by 4, we will take 4 as a common, x plus 2. Now 4 and 2 for the 8, so it will become 2 x square minus 2 square into x plus 2. So as we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now this question is in the form of this a square minus b square. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. So we can write this as 2 into a plus b. So x plus 2 into x minus 2 divide x plus 2. So this x plus 2 will cancel with this x plus 2, and the remaining term is 2 into x minus 2 is the required answer.